Good morning. Let's make delicious Naanwich omelette sandwiches. I'm in a hotel room, and if you are in a hotel room, you have a stove. Let's go. Let's cook this. 5:37 a.m. in the morning.
Mair born hungry is delicious. Look at the way that I turn it.
So now let's do the taste test.
Mair born hungry is delicious. Switching the lane.
I got all this delivery from DoorDash last night. Look at this, Stonefire Naan rounds. We are making Naanwich omelette sandwiches. I got some eggs, cherry tomatoes, fresh spinach, avocado. Here is the stove. I have 2 pans. Let's start cutting up some vegetables. The best part, I don't even have a chopping board, so we're gonna use a plate. This will be our base. Some baby spinach, handful. Goes our spinach in a bowl. Just rough dice it. Some cherry tomatoes. So I'm taking half slice of the onion, spinach, cherry tomatoes. This is my chopped onion in a plate for the omelette, and it's a Naanwich omelette. Here goes our golden eggs. 1, 2, and 3. Let's add some salt and pepper. Half tablespoon of the black pepper, half tablespoon of the chili powder, and half tablespoon of the salt. This is the whole magic of our spinach, onion, and tomato omelette. How colorful and vibrant this looks, and it's a healthy omelette. So we'll make 2 Naanwich omelette sandwiches. So for that, take some olive oil, add in the pan, 2 veggies out of it. So we'll have 2 delicious Naanwich sandwiches. And look at this, beautiful, ready for the sandwiches. The best part, just toast them up, round naans, right here. This is the POV of Naanwich sandwich. So here you go. Let's put the here. Grab our roasted omelette. And look at this, double omelette in one. Oh. This is the topping. Close this, press it from the top. This is your Naanwich omelette sandwich. Here goes the remaining omelette. So this is the Naanwich sandwich with the omelette in the hotel room, and it looks so good. I just want to bite it. Toasted naan rounds, that's for the other one. The second omelette sandwich is about to come. Alright, another omelette is done, and here you go. Let's land it here. Delicious spinach omelette in a Naanwich, in a round naan. So we call it Naanwich sandwich. Roasted. It has tomatoes. It's juicy from the inside out. Here you go. 2 sandwiches are done. Add some olive oil and make an Sunny-Side-Up egg. Here you go for the Sunny-Side-Up. A pinch of salt on top. Cook Sunny-Side-Up egg on a very low flame, at least for 5 minutes. Let's take an avocado. Perfecto. Here goes our Sunny-Side-Up egg, right in the middle. Dress it with some fresh avocado. And look at this sandwich. You don't need to do anything to it. We have a pinch of salt on top, and this is our yummy yet juicy Naanwich sandwich. Let's make some coffee with that. This is the beautiful Naanwich sandwiches you can make in the morning, and we have some guests, so I've got some food for the guests. So they want this sandwich, I'm just giving them the naan. Make this recipe, let me know your thoughts. Let's make a coffee. I forgot about that. The coffee maker from hotel, they give you some coffee, some water. Breakfast blend decaf from Green Mountain. Okay. And it's gonna brew. Okay, the coffee is ready. Some dry milk in there. You can add the creamer. Coffee is ready. Naanwich omelette sandwiches are ready. So now let's do the taste test. If I go out with the view, I have too many guests over there. You already know that. So let's do the taste test inside. 6:20 in the morning. Okay, the first bite of the Naanwich sandwich with the omelette. Yum. What a perfect combo. $3 for the egg, $2 for the Naanwich, cherry tomatoes, olive oil, including everything. This bottle is $6. So in $20, you can have good breakfast, enough breakfast for 4 people. Sunny-Side-Up with avocado. Wow. Oh my god. This is more better. Avocado in the mornings. Look at this. They're not even letting me to film my Naanwich sandwich. So here you go, bro. You take it. Don't touch my sandwich. No. Alright. Now I can have my sandwich in a piece. I hope so. This is all the sandwiches I'm left with, and my guests, they want it. So here you go. All of you guys enjoy this.